What's happening, everybody? Thank you for coming back and checking out this video. This is going to be the first one I've had in quite a while. It's an unboxing video. Today's date is Wednesday, June 26, 2019. I received this package earlier today. I just woke up from my nap, and here we go. This box is from Boston Beard Company. A guy named Mike from Boston, actually Everett, Massachusetts. He's the owner of the company. We've been talking for quite a while. He's been wanting me to review his products. I finally got my opportunity. Mike, this is my unboxing for you. Very safely packaged. Cares about his customers already. I can see that. I'm going to go ahead and dump everything out of here onto the table. Alright, I think that's going to do everything. Okay, we got a bunch of the paper, which we will be saving and using again when we ship out products to people. So this box will be closed and reused. Thank you, Mike. So it looks like I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 items here. We're going to go ahead and they're all bubble wrapped very nicely. Go ahead and get all these out real quick. I'm just opening all these up really quickly. Damn, you did a good job making sure these got sent very safely. Good job. Glass jars. I like that already. Me personally, if anyone ever asks or is wondering, it doesn't really make a difference whether it's a tin, the plastic, or the glass jar. It doesn't really make a difference to me. I think that presentation, it looks nice. It really does. Makes it look like you're using more quality. I will say that, but I don't think it really matters. That's just my personal opinion. Okay, so we got 3 butters and 4 bottles of oil. Okay, so we're looking at Bonfire, and they're all the same. The labeling: Sinatra, Churchill, and an unlabeled one. And then we have the ash butter, Sinatra, and Churchill. Okay. Knife is closed. So let's see. I do know that Bonfire and Ash are from his original lineups. Let's check out what we got here. Yellowish oil. Looks to be on the light side. Okay. That is definitely a Bonfire, and it's not like crazy strong. Okay, I can dig that. All right, I like that. Bonfire, or Ash, excuse me. Oh, now this is definitely smoky. And the butter is nice, and I don't even want to put my finger in that and waste it, everybody. That's a good butter. That's a, oh, one more time. Okay, all right. I can dig that. I don't know if I would sleep in this, but I'm going to find out if I can. That's a good combination right there by itself. Definitely a manly smoky scent. Churchill. Now, I do not remember the scent profiles of these, so I can't really say, but I know that I'll find them out very soon. So I know what this is. This is strawberry and tobacco. I remember this one. Wow. There is nothing like this on the market. That's for damn sure. The matching butter. Softer. This is definitely softer. Okay. That's great. I'm not saying that's bad. This is definitely softer. This is like night and day difference right here in the scent strength, just right out of the containers. Sinatra. Oh man. I can't remember what this one is either, but man, this is good. I think this is the apple, bourbon, and vanilla, if I'm not mistaken. I think that's what this is. Oh, Mike, you. I usually don't cuss him. You freaking nailed it, man. Damn. Wow. And this one is a little bit stronger than the Churchill. Okay. Wow. These stand out very, very well. This fourth one, he has not released yet, and he doesn't have the labeling for it, and there's an ingredient that is not completely in here. So this will be a tester bottle. I will have more information for that later on down the road, because I will be the one to release this scent for him. What is it? I really don't remember, so I don't want to give anything away in this video. So I'm kind of trying to remember what this is. Oh, manly. These are 4 manly scents right here. Wow. One more time. I gotta do it one more time. Bonfire. Yeah, that's definitely a bonfire. That's exactly what that is. Ash butter. It smells just like a smoke. That's good. That's good. Churchill. That's strawberry tobacco. That's great. That is really, really good. Wow. Sinatra. This is apple, bourbon, and vanilla. That's exactly what that is. Now that I smell that, yeah, that's what it is. Wow, I like these. And this fourth one, I can't figure this one out yet. Wow, wow. These are scents that they're manly. They don't smell alike, but they're all different. This is amazing. I really like these. First impression, wow. What more can I say? I'm impressed. These are the products that I'm going to be using for the next, I'm going to say 2 weeks, because I actually, honestly, don't have any products to test out / review at this moment. Everything that I have to review, I've already used. I just have to make the videos for. So, Mike, I will have your video probably within the next 2 weeks for you. This is incredible. I'm really digging these scents already. I will have a review for you very soon on the Boston Beer Company. My first impression, heck to the frickin' yeah. Damn good, Mike. He did a good job. I'll see you guys in the next video.